Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV, Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Chaparral 373 MBRB. If you find this video really informational, please like and subscribe. It helps us out. It helps me personally out. So this is a killer rig. This is the rig if you have tons of kids. You need multiple sleeping rooms. So let's hit the outside first. There's a little kitchen right here. You have this workspace. It does push out of your way. You have a cooktop. Of course, it does push out. You have a fridge right here. You can store your drinks. TV goes there. Because the TV goes here, the door has to be really high. So they don't expect you to just do that. They give you a little hook right here so you can tie a rope to it. So you can just grab said rope and get this down. And then you can still have the TV being really high. So everybody comments on that. So I just wanted to make sure you knew that there's a way. Coming up into these solid steps, multiple bedroom fifth wheel. This would be the first bunk room that you can see. Those are oversized bunks, okay? So you could essentially fit like a teenager on one on each bed. So, or me, because I'm that big. I'm teenager size. All right, and here's your bathroom setup right there. Really nice to have that fully fiberglass kind of molded bottom part that you can sit on. And then here's the bedroom right in here. So this is killer. You have a slide out right here. So that's going to give you all the storage that you see here, being that this right here is the wall for outside. So when you open that up, you get all this extra space. Now, of course, you have storage under the bed. You notice the way they did it is different. This is so cool. So you can actually walk into here and don't slip on that like I did. You have space under there even. And then you have these drawers right here, spots right there. You can put things in here and the bed can close on it and it still won't mess it up. The hinge for the bed is almost the whole mattress. The whole mattress comes up. So that's super cool. Now right here, this is like closet space, but you can make this into a washer and dryer stackable. So that's so nice to have the stackable that fits in here. If you want to have that for your clothes, then that exists for your clothes. Now coming down this way, here is your living space. So starting at the table, so where you can eat, there's 4 chairs. Now you get this nice kind of L-shaped counter space. Over here you get this refrigerator and your freezer. I promise you that's bigger than what I have in my apartment, because my apartment has 1 door for a fridge and a freezer, and it sucks. So that's actually really nice. I wish I had one of those. Here's your cooktop, your oven, your microwave. Very big microwave. That's a killer thing to have as a bonus. Super big. That's a convection, by the way, too. So, of course, you have all this storage space right here for pantry stuff, plates, cups, below and all that. You have right here, if I open this up, yep, this is a one big sink instead of the split sink. And these go in here to cover it, so you can move this out of the way and you still have more workspace on your counter. So if this corner was not enough. So coming over here, this is your living room setup. You face the TV, these massage, these heat, and these have lights for the cup holders. I don't know if they're on. There we go, they're on. They're little touch screen buttons. They have little 3 levels of brightness. So if I tap this again and again, so you have 3 different levels of heat, 3 different levels of massage. So then right here is your TV. This is so big. This is massive. It's like the whole freaking wall. You have sound coming out right here on separate speakers, so you're not rocking TV speakers. You have fireplace below and storage on the sides. This is perfect to me. You might be saying kind of the living room's tight. It's gonna be tight. This is like a 42-foot fifth wheel, so it's a big fifth wheel. The reason it's tight is for like the bunk space, because we have a middle bunk, we have a back bunk. So if you want both bunks, you gotta get tight somewhere. I feel like they chose the way to do this really well. So if you come in here, there's another couch. Okay, then you have a bunk up here. This is for a littler kid. probably under 10 would be a good size for this, for a kid to sleep on. There's a TV in here. This does pack up and out of the way if you want to, so that you can like sit here and not hit your head. And this does turn into a bed, this couch, so you can have essentially another teenager sleeping right here and a littler kid right there. And then you have storage above as well. So a full dresser. So coming on, they have their own bathroom. Okay, so here's a toilet, fits anybody. Here's a sink. What do you call this? Cabinet, cupboard, medicine cabinet. And then there's your shower. They can shower on their own, have their own space. There's heat in here. There's AC in here, as well as in this area, heat, AC's in this back. This door closes. That way they can have privacy. They can play games really loud while you sit right here and watch your show really loud. If I didn't point it out, there's also an exit door in the bathroom. So if you want another way to get in and out. This is really nice because if you have guests and stuff and they're like, need to use the bathroom or something, and you're all hanging outside with your friends, they can just come up into this door right into the bathroom and use it. They don't have to come into your fifth wheel, upstairs past the bunks, into that one that's right next to your bedroom. It's just a nice door right to the toilet for extra people, or yourself even, not even extra people. So this is the Chaparral. This construction is really, really good in my opinion. I think that it's metal cage construction, composite built walls. It makes it a huge benefit. This is a 4 seasons rig. So if you have any questions on this product at all or any other that I may have, you can call me, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.